Hey everyone, it's Planning Allie here. For this week, I will be planning for the week of September 9th through the 15th in my Super Mom dashboard layout. So for this week, the kit I'm going to be using is by Burgundy Butterfly Designs. I will leave a link to her shop in the description box below. This kit is called Nautical Vibes, and she includes a thank you card with every order, and also like a frequent order sheet. She likes to include this little butterfly freebie. It's really cute. So for this kit, it includes some script, different script there. It also includes some full box deco and the date covers, some larger boxes with some banners or checklists, smaller boxes with them little deco stickers, checklists, and then the full box checklist, a little more deco there, stickers in the corner, some other boxes, half boxes, quarter boxes, and then the larger box for in the corner and some little icons and some other full boxes and checklists and script as well. So there's plenty of things to decorate your spreads with. This is actually the full kit. So like I said, there will be a link in the description box below. So let's get this started. And in true Planning Allie fashion, this is sped up so that you don't have to sit through a 45-minute plan with me. So I'm going through and adding the date covers on the top. I actually put the date of the 9th so that I wouldn't forget, because apparently I always forget the date. So I'm using the the Monday through Sunday date covers. They're very pretty, like royal kind of blue there. And me and the stickers have a hard time, apparently. How many times can Allie say apparently in this video? Are you counting? Because I think I'm at 3 right now. I have no idea where I did. Oh, I disappeared to get tweezers. Sorry about that, guys. So I'm just gonna put the date covers next to the days of the week. They come in the various light blue, dark blue, burgundy, and beige colors. Going to also put the meal script on the first box there. I'm going to switch to the other side of the page because why not? This is my plan with me. Use that very pretty light blue sticker to cover up the so cool that was there in that box. And that is kind of like a habit tracker down at the bottom of the page. These stickers down here fit perfectly in that space. I love that she made those just for those. So I'm going to use these little, I don't know what these are called, banners, flags, spacers, those stickers there. And I'm going to use the light blue sticker to cover the errand side of the box with the remaining banner stickers, washi strips. I have no idea what those are. If anybody knows what those are called, please comment down below, because I'm totally clueless right now. Did the burgundy one on the to buy side, and it didn't want to go straight, apparently. Are we still counting? So I'm going to use this script to, well, I guess not. I'm going to use the flag checklist, the little butterfly checklist there in each of the boxes. And now I'm going back in with the script to label the boxes. So that one would be to buy, and the other will be for errands. Oh no, we put the errands at the bottom. Way to go, girl. Now I'm going to put the to pay on the other box next to the errands box, and to clean down there at the tracker. And I put a reminder, I believe that's a reminder script there. And so in the box, the small box next to the habit tracker, I put next week. So if there's anything that I need to keep up with for next week, it will go in that box. I used the little sample sheet to get some extra little burgundy butterflies. They matched the kit so well. And I put a little beige butterfly next to the errands box. So I'm going in with the deco and adding the various pieces of deco to those boxes. So now I'm going to use the deco box there and place it in the center. I honestly don't need all of that space to write down my lists, so I put the little deco box in the middle along with some quarter boxes. We're gonna go with that, quarter boxes there, to mark any items that I need to pay for during the upcoming week. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, not with the butterfly checklist. Using the two half-size boxes. On the dashboard layout, it kind of doesn't really, I guess it doesn't matter what the size of the boxes are, because you're not using them in the same way you would use them in a vertical layout. So I'm just going through and putting some more deco on the page. Switch to the other page, and I'm going to add some half boxes, even though I guess they take up half the space. Just putting them on various days of the week to make sure that if there's anything important going on those days, that it is written in those boxes. And the weekend script, I'm going to put it there in between Saturday and Sunday, because those are the weekend days. And I'm going to go back through with the deco and put some all around the page. So my spreads usually start off kind of basic, and then as the week continues, I may or may not add extra deco or extra boxes. Just depends on how my week goes. And I'm just going through the stickers to make sure there's anything else I want to use for that week. That one is like a gas icon, because I need to get gas on Monday. So there's that. And there's like this spoon, fork, and the plate. So that's for the meals. And I put this other quarter box, I turned it vertically and pulled up the weekend script a little bit and stuck it over the top of the box, excuse me. And the laundry icon over the top. So usually I do laundry between Saturday and Sunday. Not that there's a lot of laundry, it just takes me 2 days. And that one is a little planner sticker, so I need to either plan or record or things of that nature. So that is pretty much it for this plan with me, guys. There are still plenty of stickers left over. I'll show you soon. That's the finished spread. Really cute. I really like this kit, guys. It was really cute. So there's still script stickers and all of the checklists. There's the smaller boxes and some more icons. The smaller checklist, more icons, and another weekend banner. It's a longer checklist. Still dates and flags, and that other box was to cover the Monday through Friday where the meals were. And there's still deco sheets left. Deco boxes as well. So I really do appreciate you guys watching. Here is a closer look of this page, the left side of the page and the right side of the page. Again, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you'd like to see more videos. Bye guys.